Yo, killer. How's it then? My mind is doing me too. I want to call Susie, but I don't know. Why did you do too? I want to call her, but I'm not sure. I cannot. I will call him. Yeah, I'll call you back. Yeah. Network. I'll call you later.
Peace all in this one.
Okay. Baby girl, we are so sweet. I mean, sorry. You're so sweet.
Thank you.
One man, me librido no. I go high. You are so sweet, and words can't explain how sweet you are. Na abra me de button to one side na no. Abra me de me button to one na pia to no. Na mu say yes. E bon bia ne bon. Tokru bia ne tokru. E so de me wura tokru papa. Thank you so much. Makinka adwuma na fili Bob na nhie che say light ku apam. We the dead bisro. Oba menya ma no. Enko emobi nkosuso mu enko emobi nkotachi wo nse yeme no nko na ho and we are there forever. I'm so home saying intini no me saying veins no.
It's nice. I like it.
Yeah, I am edible and sweet. I love you.
I love you too. Ouch. Stop it.
Oh.
Stop it. Ouch. Oh,
My bread. Like you manage.
stop. Your mom.
I can't cry. Why? I'm more for you. I can't cry.
Naya, my nose is gone. I have to go and do a look. Will you take me to the salon?
No, ma'am.
Seriously?
Put the phone down. The cameras are beautiful. Just put it down somewhere.
Of course, I'm beautiful. Chubby beauty.
Hey. Hello.
What's up?
You know, I'm rethinking my life decisions now.
Hmm?
Yes, you heard me right.
Oh, okay. I put this one somewhere. I'm interested in this convo.
I feel it's high time I started focusing on my studies and in my career and leave everything behind, because what at all am I gaining from this? I just don't get why I was so into men and all that.
Okay.
Why are you smiling?
No, you don't mean it, right?
Here. I'm very serious. I've been thinking about it. I just don't know what go over me.
Naya. You're serious.
I am. I need to take this bold step.
That's great. I mean, I'm so happy, thank God. Hey! Already there was way. Naya has a song. But so was the son.
Don't let me change my mind.
I'm sorry, Ma. I'm sorry. But you know, that's really good.
Yes, it is.
Like, I'm so glad you are saying this right now. Oh, God. Because, like, today, this man, tomorrow, Kwame, the next day, Kojo, it was that bad. That's what I keep telling you. It was very, very bad.
I'm born again now.
Who advised you? Is it me?
Oh no?
Oh, the broken hearts.
Which broken heart? Please, I beg. I just decided this on my own.
I'm so happy for you, honestly. Like, you really mean it.
I'm happy for myself too.
I'm so happy for you. Like, we need to, like,
You know, it's not going to be easy, but I'll just give it a try. I mean to do this.
I'm going to help you. Trust me. I'm going to help you. We need to toast.
You haven't been in help, so just keep quiet.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
I am sure.
We need to toast to this. If you really mean it. Cause like my sister wants to just focus about every man and concentrate on herself.
It's high time I stopped doing all that.
Since when?
Since today.
I'm so happy. Girl, let's go.
Go
we
where?
have to toast to this. I mean,
please let me rest. Let me rest. I'm still rethinking my life. Let me change my mind.
I don't even know what to say. I'm so surprised.
How did you get his number? You know what,
Babe.
What's up?
Nothing. I can't find my phone. Can I use your phone, please?
Want to make a call?
Mm-hmm.
Sure. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you sure? No, I'm just asking. So they just stormed out of the room looking for your phone. You can't find it inside.
No.
So the person you're calling, you're trying to tell me the number is up here. Huh?
I'm calling my phone.
Okay.
Are you okay? It's ringing now.
So where could it be?
It's ringing. I think I have to check it.
Okay. Check where exactly it is.
Yeah. I'm coming. It was under one pillow somewhere.
Okay.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
You're good?
What are we eating? What's that blood there? Hello? I'm good. How are you? My other number, yeah. I'm confused myself. How did you get this number? Yeah, I never knew I called you or texted you with it. The other one, the phone is missing. Yeah, I lost the number. So what's up? How much for the shopping? Okay, no, let me call you back. Give me like 5 minutes. I'll call you right back.
The clouds only